Welcome to English Pod. Let's dive right into today's lesson.
Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone and welcome back to Mr. Ahmed Abu Daif channel. How are you today? Today, I am here with Maryam, and today we are going to talk about family, food, and directions in English.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullah. Hello everyone. I am very happy to be here today. Let's start our conversation.
Maryam, today we have 3 fun topics.
Yes, family and adjectives, food and shopping, and directions.
All very useful for daily life.
Yes, and we will go slowly, step by step.
Let's begin with our first topic.
I am ready.
Maryam, our first topic today is family and adjectives.
Yes, let's start with the family tree.
Okay, who is in a family?
Let's start with parents, mother and father.
Simple words.
Yes, together they are parents.
What about children?
Son for a boy, daughter for a girl.
Together they are children.
Yes, exactly.
What about brothers and sisters?
Brother for a boy, sister for a girl.
Together we call them siblings.
Yes, that's the general word.
What about grandparents?
Grandmother and grandfather.
And grandchildren?
Grandson and granddaughter.
That is very clear.
Yes, slow and simple.
Let's talk about aunts, uncles, and cousins.
Okay, uncle is your parents' brother.
Aunt is your parents' sister.
Yes, exactly.
What about cousin?
Cousin is your aunt or uncle's child.
That is a useful sentence.
Yes, many people use it every day.
Let's give another example.
Great idea. My cousin lives in another city.
Nice sentence, Maryam. Maryam, let's practice describing our own families.
Great idea. I will start. I have 1 brother and 1 sister.
I have 2 sisters and no brothers.
My mother is a nurse.
My father is an engineer.
Wonderful simple sentences.
Yes, everyone can use this pattern. Now let's talk about adjectives. What is an adjective?
An adjective describes a noun.
Can you give an example?
Sure. A tall man.
Tall describes man.
Yes, exactly.
Let's talk about physical appearance first.
Okay, good idea.
What adjectives describe height?
Tall and short.
Can you give an example?
Sure. My brother is tall.
My sister is short.
Perfect examples.
What adjectives describe hair?
Long or short hair.
Curly or straight hair?
Yes, exactly.
What about hair color?
Black, brown, blonde, or gray hair.
Can you give an example?
Sure. My mother has curly black hair.
That is a useful sentence.
Yes, many people use it every day.
Let's give another example.
Great idea. My father has short gray hair.
Perfect example. What other physical adjectives should beginners know?
Young and old.
Beautiful and handsome.
Thin and big.
Let's practice a full description.
Okay. My grandfather is old. He is tall and thin.
He has short gray hair.
Wonderful description. Slow and clear.
Now, Maryam, let's talk about personality adjectives.
Okay. These describe character, not appearance.
Can you give some examples?
Sure. Kind and friendly.
Funny and smart.
Shy and quiet.
Talkative and generous.
Great list of personality words.
Let's practice using personality adjectives.
Okay. My sister is very kind.
My brother is funny and talkative.
My grandmother is generous and patient.
Great examples, everyone.
That is a useful sentence.
Yes, many people use it every day.
Let's give another example.
Great idea. My best friend is honest and smart.
Perfect sentence, Ahmed.
Maryam, where do adjectives go in a sentence?
Great question. Adjectives go before the noun.
Can you give an example?
Sure. A kind woman, not a woman kind.
That is an important word order rule.
Yes, adjective first, then noun.
What about with to be?
With to be, the adjective comes after.
Can you give an example?
Sure, she is kind, not she kind is.
That is very clear now.
Yes, two simple patterns to remember.
What about you, everyone watching? Describe one family member.
Please write your answer in the comments.
We would love to read about your family.
Yes, share it with us below.
So, let's summarize this topic.
Okay, we learned family words like mother, father, siblings, and cousins.
We learned physical adjectives like tall, short, and hair descriptions.
And personality adjectives like kind, funny, and honest.
Great summary. Let's move to our next topic.
Yes, food, drinks, and shopping.
Our second topic today is food, drinks, and shopping.
Yes, a very practical topic for daily life.
Let's start with ordering food at a restaurant.
Okay, good idea.
How does a waiter usually start?
Are you ready to order?
How do we respond politely?
Yes, I would like the chicken, please.
I would like is a very polite phrase.
Yes, much more polite than just I want.
That is a useful sentence.
Yes, many people use it every day.
Let's give another example.
Great idea. I would like a glass of water, please.
Perfect, polite request. Miriam, what other polite phrases can we use at a restaurant?
Could I have the menu, please?
Very polite question.
Yes. Can I get the bill, please?
Asking to pay.
Exactly right.
Let's practice a short restaurant conversation.
Great idea. I will be the waiter. Good evening. Are you ready to order?
Yes, I would like the fish, please.
Would you like anything to drink?
Yes, I would like a glass of orange juice, please.
Of course. Anything else?
No, thank you. That is all.
Wonderful. Polite conversation.
Yes, very useful for real restaurants. Miriam, now let's talk about how much and how many. What is the difference?
Great question. How much is for things we cannot count?
Can you give an example?
Sure. How much water do you want?
Water cannot be counted as separate pieces.
Yes, exactly. What about how many?
How many is for things we can count.
Can you give an example?
Sure. How many apples do you want?
Apples can be counted. 1, 2, 3.
That is a clear difference.
Yes, countable versus uncountable.
Let's practice more examples with how much.
Okay, how much rice do you need?
How much sugar is in this coffee?
Good examples, uncountable things.
Now let's practice with how many.
Okay, how many eggs do you have?
How many books did you buy?
Great examples, countable things.
That is a useful sentence.
Yes, many people use it every day.
Let's give another example.
Great idea. How much does this shirt cost?
Perfect for shopping situations. Miriam, how do we ask about price?
How much does it cost? Or simply, how much is it?
Can you give an example dialogue?
Sure. How much is this shirt?
It is $20.
That is a good price.
Simple and useful for shopping.
Yes, exactly.
Let's practice a short shopping conversation.
Great idea. Excuse me, how much are these apples?
They are $2 for 1 kilogram.
How many apples are in 1 kilogram?
About 6 apples.
Okay, I would like 2 kilograms, please.
Wonderful shopping conversation.
Yes, combining how much and how many together.
What common foods and drinks should beginners know?
Let's list them. Rice, bread, chicken, and fish.
Vegetables, fruit, eggs, and milk.
For drinks, water, tea, coffee, and juice.
Great basic vocabulary list.
Yes, very useful for daily life.
If you're enjoying this conversation, everyone.
If you're enjoying this conversation, don't forget to like and subscribe.
Yes, it really helps us make more lessons like this.
Thank you so much for your support.
So, let's summarize this topic.
Okay, use I would like to order food politely.
Use how much for uncountable things and how many for countable things.
And how much also asks about price.
Great summary. Let's move to our final topic.
Yes, prepositions and directions.
Our final topic today is prepositions of place and directions.
Yes, this helps us describe where things are.
Let's start with in. When do we use in?
We use in for something inside a space.
Can you give an example?
Sure, the keys are in the bag.
Inside the bag.
Yes, exactly.
Now let's talk about on. When do we use on?
We use on for something on top of a surface.
Can you give an example?
Sure, the book is on the table.
On top of the table.
Yes, exactly.
Now let's talk about at. When do we use at?
We use at for a specific point or place.
Can you give an example?
Sure, I am at the bus stop.
A specific point.
Yes, she is at school.
A specific place, too.
Exactly right.
Now let's talk about under. When do we use under?
We use under for something below another thing.
Can you give an example?
Sure, the cat is under the table.
Below the table.
Yes, exactly.
That is a useful sentence.
Yes, many people use it every day.
Let's give another example.
Great idea. My shoes are under the bed.
Perfect example, Miriam. Miriam, let's compare in, on, at, and under together.
Great idea. The pen is in the box.
The pen is on the box.
The pen is under the box.
The pen is at the box. Wait, that sounds strange.
Yes, at is usually for places, not small objects.
That is a good point to remember.
Yes, at works better for locations like at home or at work.
Let's practice more sentences slowly.
Okay, the milk is in the refrigerator.
The plate is on the table.
I am at the supermarket.
The dog is under the tree.
Great practice, everyone.
Now, Miriam, let's talk about asking for directions.
Yes, a very useful skill for travel.
How do we politely ask for directions?
Excuse me, how do I get to the train station?
Very polite way to start.
Yes, always start with excuse me.
What phrases do we use to give directions?
Go straight, turn left, and turn right.
Can you give an example?
Sure, go straight, then turn left.
What other useful phrases are there?
It is next to the bank.
It is across from the park.
It is near the school.
That is a useful sentence.
Yes, many people use it every day.
Let's give another example.
Great idea. The pharmacy is between the bakery and the bank.
Perfect direction example. Let's practice a full directions conversation.
Great idea. Excuse me, how do I get to the library?
Go straight for 2 streets, then turn right.
Is it far from here?
No, it is close. It is next to the coffee shop.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Wonderful, clear directions.
Yes, very useful for beginners traveling abroad. Miriam, any final tips for remembering prepositions?
Yes, look around your room and describe where things are.
Like, the lamp is on the table.
Yes, exactly. Practice with real objects.
That is a wonderful, simple exercise.
Yes, practice makes it natural.
What about you, everyone watching? Where is your phone right now?
Please write your answer in the comments.
Use in, on, at, or under in your answer.
Yes, we would love to see your sentence.
Mariam, let's review everything from today's episode.
Great idea. This was a very practical episode.
First, we learned family words and adjectives.
Physical appearance and personality traits.
Second, we learned food, drinks, and shopping phrases.
Ordering politely and using how much and how many.
Third, we learned prepositions of place and directions.
In, on, at, under, and how to ask for directions.
This was such a useful episode for daily life.
Yes, real vocabulary for real situations.
Mariam, any final advice for our beginners today?
Yes, try to describe your family and your room this week.
That is a great simple practice idea.
Yes, use today's vocabulary in real sentences.
That will build strong habits.
Slow and steady progress every day.
I love that message.
Thank you, Ahmed.
Today was a lot of fun.
I enjoyed our conversation today.
We covered family, food, and directions, all very useful topics.
Yes, real vocabulary for real life.
If you are enjoying this conversation, don't forget to like and subscribe.
Yes, it really helps our channel grow.
Thank you, everyone, for listening.
See you in the next episode.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye.